Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors. Today I'm going to show you a short video around our lovely Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Exceed in a titanium grey. Now this is a 1.5 turbo manual. It's got 17,692 miles on the clock and it has full main dealer service history, so it has been very well looked after and maintained by its previous owner. Now as you can see, this car does have a lot of very nice distinctive features, such as its diamond cut alloy wheels, and next I'll show you a little look inside the boot space. So obviously with the size of the car being an SUV, it does have a nice big deep boot space available. I'll just pull this parcel shelf back just so you can see a little bit more for reference. Moving around to the back, as you can see, you do have some very nice full leather seats available there. In there you do have a centre console that does come out as an armrest and a cup holder. And moving around to the front, you do have a multimedia touchscreen panel. Now on this there will be a multitude of different features, such as a reverse camera, a 360 camera, front and rear parking sensors, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A little further down you do have dual zone climate control, so that'll come standard with an automatic mode and air conditioning. Another additional very nice feature is heated front seats there. There is your leather covered multifunctional steering wheel, so you can adjust your radio and volume settings here. You can accept and reject phone calls. It has voice recognition. On the opposite side you do have your adaptive cruise control settings. Some more of the features that this car does have is it does have an electric tilt and sliding sunroof. It has keyless entry and it also has a 5-star NCAP safety rating. Before this vehicle leaves us, it will be given 12 months of advisory free MOT. You'll get a fresh service and the vehicle does still have 24 months worth of warranty on it available. Now if you would like to take this lovely car for a test drive, or if you would like any further information, do feel free to get in touch. Myself or one of my colleagues will be more than happy to help going forward. Thank you very much and we hope to hear from you soon.